2, 3, 4.
Got me a honey, gonna set my soul on fire.
At the end of the day, I'm not a guy who's stray, 'cause she's my heart's desire.
Now this lonesome toad is sick of the road. I can't wait to go home.
Viva Viagra!
Talk to your doctor about Viagra, America's most prescribed treatment for erectile dysfunction. Learn more at Viagra.com.
Viva Viagra!
Ask your doctor if your heart is healthy enough for sex. Don't take Viagra if you take nitrates for chest pain, as it may cause an unsafe drop in blood pressure. Side effects may include headache, flushing, upset stomach, and abnormal vision. To avoid long-term injuries, stop taking Viagra and call your doctor right away if you experience a sudden decrease in vision or an erection lasting longer than 4 hours.